Hey guys, Krista Thompson here for Unity. I have metallic watercolors on craft. This is a great way to use your metallic watercolors in a new way. We are using the Twigs of Mary stamp set. This is released in October of 2018 along with our Gansai Tambi Starry colors. This is a 6-color set and I'll be using most of these along with a foil piece of cardstock in gold. You can use some glitter along with Distress glitter dust, Nuvo drops, and sequins along with my Marvy. We're going to begin by adding some water to our watercolors. Just drop some water onto it, just a little bit so it doesn't become too watered down. We're going to begin by adding our darkest shade of gold onto the edge. If you run out of the actual image, it's okay. You can come in later on when it's dry and draw that over. And then with our lighter of the gold, we're going to go ahead and shade the bottom. We're going to come in and sprinkle some of the color that's on our brush and move on to the next. Now for the holly berries, we're going to do those in gold using the 3 different shades of gold. A little bit on this technique, get the color on the tip of your brush and then dab the brush over the berries. It really helps to give you a round brush. Now we're going to go ahead and color the little details of the ribbons and the strings. Again, I'm going to come in and draw over those so it'll look more of a highlight with that white color. Now, every time you're going to switch colors, I like to dab or sprinkle the watercolor that's on my brush, and it really ties everything in. To speed up the process, you can use your heat embossing machine. Now we're going to use a piece of foam adhesive. I have put some of a score tape. This is a strong adhesive because of that foil, and the craft watercolor cardstock kind of warps because it's not watercolor paper, so you got to use some strong adhesive. We're going to place that foam sheet over our foil cardstock. So you can see I have drawn in my images of the strings and the different little pieces that were covered, and that white makes it look like shading. Now using some Nuvo drops, I'm going to add it to the bottom of the Mary and kind of dab it around. We're going to place the glitter dust, so I have a scrap piece of paper, and this is where my glitter dust is going to land, and we can put it back on the container. A little bit goes a long way. Put a foam piece on the back of that Mary and place it on the card. It's quite pretty, quite glittery. For a finishing touch, we're going to add a couple of these gold sequins in different sizes. And that does it for this card. It's a lot of gold. It's a great way to use your metallic watercolors. Please leave a sweet message below if you enjoyed this tutorial and let me know what other things you would like to see. Have an awesome day!